When I uploaded my first Fiverr gig, I checked my Fiverr inbox every hour, literally every hour. No impression, no clicks, no orders, nothing. My gig was looking good, my portfolio was also good, but still no clients. If this is happening to you right now, you are not alone. I was in the same place. So you need to fix small things that I will tell you in this video, and the things that Fiverr actually notices. In this video, I will tell you 4 things that were actually stopping my orders, and when I fixed them, everything changed. If you are struggling on Fiverr, watch this video till the end. This video will help you a lot. Let's start. First thing, add an intro video to your gig. When I added my intro video to my gig, something changed. Buyer could see my face, they could hear my voice, they started to trust me faster. Think about it. Would you buy from a stranger you never saw, or from someone who looks friendly and explain the service in just 1 minute through the video? A gig with video get more clicks, more trust, and more orders. Fiverr also push your gig higher if it has a video. If your gig has no video right now, add one today. Second thing, and this one is very important, stop changing your title, description, and image again and again. I made this mistake in my early days. Every few days I changed something. One day the title, next day the image, then the new description. I thought I was improving my gig. I was not improving my gig, I was de-ranking my gig again and again. Because Fiverr system got confused. Every time you hit on the save button after some changes, Fiverr treats your gig like something new. It resets your entire gig, then it loses its ranking and your gig will not be visible to the clients. The truth is you need patience. If you are a new seller, don't touch your gig at least for 2 months. After 2 months, check your impression and clicks. If impression are good but clicks are low, the problem is your image or title. If clicks are good but orders are low, the problem is your description or pricing. Don't just say I will do this, I will do that. Explain how you will solve your client's problem, and most importantly, understand what your client is struggling with. Third thing, your text must match your title. This is simple but many sellers miss it. If your title says Shopify store design, your text should also say Shopify store design. The same words from your title should be in the text. I mean just a keyword that you want to rank for, not just every word. Because Fiverr search reads your title and text together. If they don't match, Fiverr get confused about what your gig really offers, and it will not show your gig to your buyers. And a confused system means low ranking. Fourth thing, don't build your gig around high competition keyword. When I started, I wanted to make gig on popular keyword. I thought more searches means more orders, but more searches means also more competition, means thousands of sellers are already fighting for that keyword. Level 2 seller, top rated seller with thousands of reviews. As a new seller, you can't compete with them. Instead, start with low competition keyword, ones where you actually have a chance to reach page 1 and get your first order. Once you build reviews and authority, then move into competitive keyword. So that's it. Note these 4 things if you want to grow up on Fiverr. First, add your intro video. Second, stop changing your gig's title, description, image again and again. And third, match your tag with title. And fourth, avoid high competition keyword. Fix these 4 things, you will see real difference. If this video really helped you, like it and subscribe for more videos like this.